Hello everyone, the loafer here from me with a pencil. Today I am using my 3 number Newton brush and Bohong 100% cotton paper. We are going to be painting a poppy flower using the similar technique of 5-petal flower. If you haven't learned this 5-petal flower, you can watch the previous video on how to paint a 5-petal flower. The link to the video is in caption. So now let's paint. Now, once I finish painting the first layer, the 5-petal flower, after drying, let it dry first. After drying, I'm going to apply the second layer. The same technique, same flower, same petal, just above the previous layer. Now, when you're applying the second layer, make sure it's light in color so that you can see the transparency between both the layers, the first and the second. As we're creating a small bouquet pattern, make some side flowers so it looks like a complete composition. Watch till the end how I compile the whole composition of a bouquet. Subscribe to our channel for more such videos every week. On Monday and Friday we post watercolor videos, and on every Wednesday we post calligraphy videos, how to learn calligraphy, what to do, what to buy, tips, and different types of calligraphy videos. Now, once I've finished painting all the petals, before I add the center of my poppy, I'm going to create my stems, leaves, and connect my flowers. This gives you an idea how your composition is coming along. some leaves here. I've added some joints of flower bud, and I'm going to be adding these little flower buds the same color. They don't have to be dual colors or dual um, transparent layers. They are single layer buds. This this adds a little element to your entire bouquet. Finally, add some center to your flower using either Paynes grey or black. The color should be contrasting, mostly a deeper color. And end with some final touches of leaves where you think that you need to add to compile your whole bouquet. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys had a good time, and please do share your work with us at Me With A Pencil and use hashtag Me With A Pencil. Don't forget to sign off your painting. See you next week. Until thank you so much, and bye bye.